I can help you get your first or next agency client in the next 10 minutes just by opening Google Maps. Maybe you've been thinking about starting an agency for weeks, maybe months, watching videos, reading posts, trying to figure out what to sell. Here's what nobody tells beginners. You don't need to pick the fanciest service to offer. You need the easiest service to win with. The one where the problem is obvious, the solution is provable, and the business owner can literally see the before and after results with their own eyes. And that service is Google Reviews. Not because it's exciting, but because it works. I've built 3 different 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and today I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. And every one of those agencies started the exact same way. Finding local businesses with visible, easy-to-solve problems and offering to fix them. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the 3-part system I'd use right now starting from 0. I call it the review gap. I'll show you how to find 5 businesses with visible review gaps in the next 10 minutes. I'll show you the exact free audit you send to get them interested, and I'll show you how a $300 review service turns into a $1,300 a month retainer once you prove it works. No cold emails, no sales calls, no having to pretend that you're an expert at things you haven't done yet. Here's what most beginners don't realize. Signing your first client has less to do with skill and more to do with picking a service where the client can quickly see the result. Think about it from the business owner's side. If you walk up to a business owner and say, "I'll help you with your marketing strategy," well, they have no idea what that means. They've got no way to verify it and no way to measure whether you actually did a good job or not. But if you walk up and say, "I noticed you have 12 reviews while your closest competitor has 200, I can fix that in 60 days, well, now they get it. They can see the problem, they can see the gap between them and their competition, and 60 days later, they can see whether you delivered. That's the secret of review services. Everything about them is visible. The problem, the solution, the result. There's no hiding behind fancy words or dashboards that nobody understands. And that is a very good thing, especially for a beginner, because for a brand new agency with 0 case studies and 0 portfolio and 0 credibility yet, a visible problem that you can obviously fix is the best service in the world to offer. Let me tell you about one of the first clients I ever signed. I spotted him on Google Maps, saw that he ran a small HVAC company in my city, had about 20 reviews on Google, mostly from a couple years before that. The top 3 competitors in town had around 150 to 200 reviews each. I spent maybe 10 minutes one afternoon looking at his Google listing. This was pretty much the whole research process. I saw the gap, I sent him a short message saying I noticed that his competitors were beating him on reviews and I had a system that could help him catch up. He wrote back in about an hour and asked how it worked. 2 weeks later, he was paying me $2,000 a month for the review service and a few other things that I was helping him fix, like fixing up his website and helping him rank better in the search engines. That client ended up staying with me for years, and all because I spotted a gap on Google Maps that anybody could have seen. So here's the system. I call it the review gap, and there's 3 parts to it. Step 1, find the gap. You open Google Maps and look for businesses whose review counts don't match their competition. Step 2, run the audit. You use a simple tool to generate a full breakdown of everything they're missing, reviews, ratings, responses, follow-ups, and then you send it to them for free. This is what separates this approach from the usual cold email approach. Step 3, offer the fix. Not by pitching them, but by asking a simple question. And once they say yes, you deliver the review service, you prove it works, and you stack more services on top of that. Start to finish, finding your first client with this system can be done in a single afternoon. But let me walk you through each step now, starting with step 1, find the gap. Let's open Google Maps and we'll pick a local service business category. You can pick anything in your area. Roofers, plumbers, HVAC, dentists, landscapers, anything where people search online and then call the business. Let's say we'll go with appliance repair in San Diego. And by the way, this doesn't need to be local. You can run this in any city for any business from anywhere. Here's what you're looking for. You want to click through the list of businesses and click more businesses, and then ignore the sponsored ones at the top and the ones ranking with hundreds of reviews. You want the ones further down the list, often on the 2nd or 3rd page, and find the ones with 10, 20, maybe 30 reviews. Businesses that are obviously losing to their competition because they don't have the social proof to back up their work. The businesses at the top and on the first page, they already know their marketing works. They're probably already paying someone. The businesses, on the other hand, with 15 reviews, they don't have help. They're doing good work in their field, but their online presence is bleeding customers that they don't even know they're losing. These people, those are your prospects. All right, so what do we see here? We've got 13 reviews here, 21 reviews here, 14 here, This one only has 3. This right here is the gap. This is the whole opportunity. This is the whole first step. You're looking for businesses that do good work, have decent ratings, but don't have the review volume in order to rank. 5 to 10 of those in your city, you'll find them in 20 minutes. Write down the business name and the owner or manager's name if you can find it. Google usually lists it on their business profile or the website. Now, if it's not listed, you can skip that one for now and just move on. Okay, so that's step 1. Find the gap. Takes 10 minutes on Google Maps, 10 to 20 different businesses identified. Now, step 2. Run the audit. So this is where most beginners typically would just message the business and say something like, hey, I noticed your review count is low. I can help. Well, don't do that. Don't start with a pitch. You want to start with proof. So instead of that, what you're going to do is you're going to send them something valuable first, a free audit. Not a sales document, but an actual report showing everything they're missing online. This is where it gets powerful because most business owners have no idea how they're doing compared to their competition. They've got their heads down running their business. They're stuck in the day-to-day operations. They're not on Google comparing themselves to the shop down the street. So when you send them a report that says, here's exactly where you are losing to your competitors, they start to pay attention. Now, you can do all of this manually. Just Google each business, count their reviews, check out their website, look at whether they respond to customer reviews, see if they're missing hours or photos on their profile. Probably takes around 20 minutes per business, or you can let a tool do it in 60 seconds or less. Inside HighLevel, which is the software I use to run my entire agency, there's a prospecting tool that pulls a complete audit on any local business. We're talking reviews, rating, Google business profile completeness, website performance, SEO, follow-up systems, all of it scored and laid out on one page. It starts by pulling up every business in the area and then giving me a quick overview of everything I just mentioned. And then all I've got to do is just click the little add button down here, and it's going to do a full deep dive into their online performance. And this report right here, this is your moneymaker. This is what gets sent to the local business owner. Not a sales pitch, but a report with actual numbers showing actual problems with their profile, and listing, and reputation and performance. Now, you can walk them through this step by step over a screen sharing video like Loom, or you can click export PDF and send them a copy directly. And here's the thing about this report. The business owner reads it and thinks 2 things. First, I didn't know any of this. Second, whoever sent this to me clearly looked into my business. And just like that, without you having to say a word about your service, you've established credibility, you've established authority and goodwill, and all because you did the work first. You found the gaps, you put them into a document, you sent it over. Now, like I said, of course, you can do all of this manually. HighLevel just makes it a whole lot faster and pulls everything together from a bunch of different sources that you would otherwise need a bunch of other paid tools in order to get access to. So if you want the fast version, there's a link in the description below for a free 30-day trial plus access to my full agency OS. Okay, so that's step 2. Run the audit, either manually or with the software, and generate a real report showing exactly what the business is missing. Now, step 3. Offer the fix. Here's where every single beginner I've ever coached messes this up. They've got the audit, they've got the prospect's contact info, and then they go mess it all up by writing a message that sounds like this. Hi, I'm a marketing consultant, and I specialize in helping local businesses like yours grow through reputation management. I'd love to hop on a quick call to discuss how we can work together. Please don't send that message. That is a pitch wearing a suit and tie. The business owner reads it, they file it under salesperson, or they just delete it entirely. Instead, you want to send this. Hey, Mike. By the way, if you can't find their first name on the website, just say, hey. I was looking at appliance repair companies in San Diego and noticed a few things on your Google listing that are probably costing you calls. I put together a quick audit showing what I found, sending it over here in case it's helpful. That's it. Keep it simple. Let me break down why it works. I was looking at appliance repair companies in San Diego. Well, that's specific, not some generic pitch. And it tells them that you actually looked. Noticed a few things on your Google listing. Well, this part names a specific place they can check themselves. Probably costing you calls, this puts a real consequence on it. Compared to saying something like hurting your business, which is kind of ambiguous, costing them calls is specific because they know that calls are money. Put a quick audit together shows that you already did the work before ever even thinking about asking for anything. And sending it over here in case it's helpful, well, this positions you as a helpful resource and not a pushy salesperson. Quick side note. Later on in your agency journey, you're going to ask before building the audit. But when you're starting out, sending the value up front usually gets more replies. Send that to 10 businesses a day, and you'll usually find that at least a few write back asking follow-up questions or for more information on how you can help them. When they ask for more info, don't jump into sales mode. Send a short Loom screen sharing video showing the biggest problem and how you'd fix it. Typically helping them get more and better Google reviews is a really good place to start. Then offer a quick 15-minute chat if they want help implementing it. But here's exactly what to say. The easiest place to start is reviews. You're 180 reviews behind the top competitor, and that gap is costing you business. I can set up an automated review system for $297 a month that helps you generate reviews consistently and strengthen your Google presence. Want help with that? Notice how there's no pricing deck, there's no package comparison, there's no, let me just send you a proposal, just the one fix and then one question asking if they want help with that. Most of the business owners who've seen the audit and then asked you what to do next will be open to the solution because you just handed them a specific, measurable, obvious problem and a specific, measurable, obvious solution, making this one of the easiest sales you'll ever make. But here's the piece that most beginners freeze on. They get the yes, they collect the first payment, and then they panic a little because they have no idea how to actually set up this review system. Well, here's the good news. You don't have to build anything from scratch here. Inside of my agency OS, which runs on HighLevel, the entire review automation is already built. All you have to do is copy and paste it into your client's account, plug in their business name and their Google review link, and the system runs on its own. This is the whole system. You just set it up once and then stop overcomplicating it. The client's customers get a text and email after every job asking for a review. If they don't leave one, well, a reminder goes out. That's it. The owner doesn't have to remember, the staff doesn't have to remember, you don't even have to remember, the system just runs. Within 30 days, a lot of clients start seeing new reviews coming in consistently, and within 60 days, the difference on Google Maps is obvious. And they're paying you every month because the result is visible every time they open Google Maps. But here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the part that most beginners miss. Once you've delivered real results with that review service, well, the relationship gets easier. Every month they stay, that trust grows. And at some point, usually around month 2 or 3, they're going to ask you if you can help with anything else. Maybe they're missing calls from customers that they don't have time to answer. Well, that's an AI receptionist. It's easy to add. It's another $400 a month. Or maybe they're getting leads, but they're not following up fast enough. Well, that's a follow-up automation. There's another $300 a month. Maybe their website looks like it was built back in 2011. Well, that's a website redo. Another $300 a month in order to maintain. Suddenly, your $297 a month review client is a $1,300 a month retainer. You didn't sell them 3 services up front. You just sold them 1. Then you proved it worked. They asked for more. And here's the part that makes this a real business. Most agencies lose clients over time, which means you're always replacing people just to stay even. But when a client has reviews and an AI receptionist and follow-up all working together, they're far more likely to stay. And that's how you grow from a $500 a month agency to a $10,000 a month agency with a simple, small operation. And it all starts with one review service that you can deliver in your sleep. Let me make this real for you though. Say you've got a full-time job and you want your first client on the side. Monday, you find 7 local businesses with weak reviews. Tuesday, you send 7 audit messages. Wednesday, 2 reply. Friday, 1 books a quick call. Next week, you land your first $300 a month client. That's how simple this can be. So here's how to start today. Step 1, find local businesses with weak reviews on Google Maps. Any city works, any industry, as long as that business takes phone calls and books appointments, they're a good fit. Step 2, send them a quick audit showing the gaps. Step 3, if they reply, offer to fix the reviews for a monthly fee. That's it. Now, before you go run with this, 3 warnings. Warning 1, don't skip the audit step. I know it's tempting. You found the gap on Google Maps, you want to just message them and offer to fix it. Well, don't. Without the audit, you're a stranger from the internet making claims. With the audit, you're a professional showing evidence. That is a totally different conversation. Warning 2, don't try to sell them all 3 services at once. Reviews first, just reviews. You might be tempted to tell them about the AI receptionist and the follow-ups and the websites all in the first call. But again, don't. That is the fastest way to overwhelm them. So stick to offering just 1 service and everything else comes later once you've earned it. Warning 3, when they say yes, don't panic about delivery. The review automation is the single easiest system to set up inside HighLevel. The templates are pre-built, you just plug in their business name and Google review link and the system runs itself. You do not need to be an expert, and if you do get stuck, there's training and community support to help you through it. The hardest part of this entire process is just sending the first 5 messages. Everything after that is way easier than you think. Look, the reason you probably haven't signed your first client yet isn't because your market's saturated or you don't know enough or you're not ready. It's because you've been trying to pick the perfect service before picking any service. Reviews aren't the sexiest service or the hottest new offer, but if you want to build a solid agency and hit 5 to 10K a month, this is one of the smartest places to start. And if you want the whole system I use to run my entire agency, the audit tool, the review automation, the agency OS templates, the exact outreach scripts, so much more, that's all inside the extended 30-day HighLevel free trial linked in the description below. Grab that, load up the templates, and you'll be ready to send your first 5 messages this afternoon. Now, once someone replies to your message or books a quick call, the next challenge is knowing what to say without sounding pushy or awkward. Well, that's why I made the video that I've got linked up right here, where I'm going to show you the simple psychological shift that makes clients want to work with you instead of needing to be sold. So tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.